Metaphysical book, Part 6, The Little Money Bible, The 10 Laws of Abundance by Stuart Wilde.
Man, I cannot tell y'all enough the power of this book. Yeah, there's a lot of different money principle books and books about, abundance consciousness and things. But this one here by Stuart Wilde, I listened to it because I have a copy of it, but I also listened to an audiobook, by Stuart Wilde. He'll talk on it. He's hilarious. I love him. I listen to it at least once a year. And this book will also not only give these, 10 different principles, which are the same, but also explain the metaphysics behind it. And so you can better understand the mechanics of the energy of money. And now I've done a lot of other things as well, but ever since getting this book, I have doubled my income 3 different times within a 1 to 2 year span each time. Well, I guess not quite 3 different times, but I went from 30,000 to 50,000 to 70,000 to 125,000 last year. And I've done a lot of things, but this book and the principles within it and applying those and understanding the mechanics of it had a lot to do with it. Like I always say though, don't listen to me. Don't believe a single word that I said. Be open, read this book for yourself, put into practice the things within it, and see what experiences you create for yourself.